This is Mr. Andrew, all the way from Australia.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Andrew has been our patient before this. In which year, Mr. Andrew?
2019, I was here the first time.
2019, Mr. Andrew has been here to do SMART FUE hair transplant.
That's correct.
With the team, with Dr. Ja, Dr. Mia and the team. Okay, so this is your second time coming to do your hair transplant with GLOJAS?
That's correct, yes.
Okay, what made you to choose us back to do your hair transplant?
Yeah, so I came back here again the second time, as my first experience was really good. I felt safe to come back here again and have a second lot of transplant.
So how was your first time experience?
Good, it was perfect.
What is the difference between the first and the second time?
I would say that technique changed a little bit in those few years, a little bit quicker to go through and have the procedure done. I suppose you want it to be very good results. You know, the medication and everything's provided is safe and good, which is why I came back the second time. I felt comfortable with the quality and the finished product. First time I came through, you know, it took a few months to get the hair growing again, but at the end of the day I had a great results. It was so good. So I recommend that you definitely do the medication after transplant to keep the hair from falling out. That was my mistake. I had it done once here and I didn't follow up medication. I thought it would be okay and I didn't want to put that into my body, but this time around I'm definitely going to take medication. It is an effort to come and travel and do the whole procedure. And there is other things that a bit of pain involved. It's not too bad, but you know, definitely worthwhile doing medication. I definitely recommend, strongly recommend, do the follow-up medication. Otherwise, you'll be back again and again and again because it'll just keep falling out. That's the truth. My experience with the whole team was extremely great, very professional, and made me feel so comfortable as well. GLOJAS is great. They're known internationally and so professional. Keep up the good work.